Okay, so this is the kitchen table. Let's see how this vacuum handles this. Okay, so the reason I got this cordless handheld vacuum is because my kids make so many messes in the car, and so I just needed something to like quickly pick up the little messes. And as you can see, this picks up all of the dirt, all of the the snacks that fall down and everything. So I really like this handheld cordless vacuum. And it comes with a charger and everything. I don't think the battery lasts as long, but I mean, that's probably because I use it a lot. Anyway, definitely recommend this if you have little kiddos.